Hey everyone, Jordan here, and today I'm reviewing the TOZO NC9 earbuds. I've been using them for the past week in a bunch of different scenarios. Working at home, walking outside, running errands, listening to music, watching content, and even moving around a bit just to see how well they stay in place. My goal with reviews like this is always the same. I want to see these earbuds actually perform in real life, not just the marketing highlights, but how they feel to use day to day, what surprised me and who they would make sense for. The NC9s have a few features that really stand out, especially considering the price point. So let's get into it. Right out of the box, the NC9s feel simple and clean. The charging case is lightweight and compact, and I immediately appreciated the LED battery display on the front. It shows the remaining power of the case and earbuds clearly, which completely removes the guessing game. I mean, every earbud company should be doing this. The earbuds themselves are small and extremely lightweight. The design is ergonomic and fits nicely into the ear. They include 6 sizes of ear caps, not just the usual 3. This is a huge plus because it makes it much easier to get a perfect seal. I tried a few sizes before landing on that one that locked things in for me. And once they were in, they were comfortable for so long. I walked outside with them, I moved around a bit, looked down at my phone, and they never loosened or slipped. They have that you forget they're in kind of feel, which is honestly one of my favorite qualities in earbuds. The sound quality on the NC9s is warm, full, and surprisingly rich for this price. They use 10mm drivers, which are larger than a lot of earbuds in the same category. Pair with that TOZO ORIGX Acoustic 2.0 sound tuning, and you get a listening experience that works across a ton of music genres. I mean, right away, the bass stood out to me. I mean, it has depth and weight, but it's not overpowering or muddy. Low-end rumble sounds, smooth and controlled, and hip-hop and electronic music both hit nicely. But I tried acoustic tracks and the vocals were clear and natural. For movies and YouTube videos, dialogue comes through clearly without being sharp or thin. The overall sound profile is enjoyable and easy to listen to for long periods. One thing I kept noticing was while using them outdoors is how consistent the audio stays while moving. Because the seal is strong, they don't shift around. The bass doesn't cut in and out and the highs don't get thinner. You get the same full sound whether you're sitting still or walking at a good pace. They're not trying to mimic high-end reference earbuds. They're tuned in a way that's simply pleasant, warm and fun for everyday listeners. Music feels good, and that's the best way I can describe it. The TOZO app is another big highlight. You get 32 preset EQ modes, and they're not tiny little changes. They actually shift the sound in noticeable ways. You can also build your own EQ curve from scratch if you want something perfectly tailored. The app also gives you control over the noise cancellation strength, transparency mode, touch controls, and a few other settings. Everything is laid out simply so you're not digging around trying to figure out where things are. One of the biggest features on the NC9s is the advanced hybrid active noise cancellation, which can reduce noise up to 45 decibels. And honestly, it works much better than I expected in this price range. Inside the apartment, turning ANC on instantly softened the AC hum, the fridge noise, and most low consistent sounds. It gives you that quiet bubble feeling without needing to blast your music. Outside, it handled road noise and background chatter really well. It doesn't eliminate everything entirely, but it drastically reduces low and mid frequencies. This makes it easier to listen at safe volumes, which I really appreciate. Then you've got transparent mode, which is surprisingly effective. It lets in outside sound in a natural way so you can stay aware when you need to. I tested it walking around and could hear cars, people, bikes, all without taking the earbuds out. It's perfect for, running errands, outdoor activities, dog walks, or anytime you need a little environmental awareness. Going back and forth between ANC and transparent mode feels smooth, quick, and really useful for everyday life. For calls, the NC9 uses 6 microphones with ENC environmental noise reduction. I tested them on a couple of phone calls in noisy environments, and my voice came through clean. The buds blocked out a surprising amount of background noise. Not everything disappeared, but it was softened enough that the person on the other end said I sounded like I was in a quieter room than I really was. For work calls, video chats, voice memos, or just talking to people on the go, they definitely get the job done. This is another huge advantage of the NC9s. The battery life is very strong. With ANC off, the earbuds encased together give you up to 59 hours of total listening time. With ANC on, you still get about 42 hours combined. That's up to 14 hours with ANC off and up to 10 hours with ANC on in a single session. That's more than enough for long days, trips, workouts, or nonstop listening without needing to recharge. And since the case has the LED power display, staying on top of battery levels is easy. The NC9s are also IPX8 water resistant, which means they can handle sweat, rain, and accidental splashes without a problem. You don't have to baby them. They're great for outdoor walks and light exercise or anything where you might get a little moisture involved. And finally, connectivity is reliable thanks to the Bluetooth 5.3. Pairing is fast, the signal is strong, and they stay connected up to 15 meters. I left my phone in the kitchen and walked around the apartment without any cutouts. All right, final thoughts. The TOZO NC9 earbuds offer a ton of value for the price. You get strong noise cancellation, great battery life, a comfortable fit, balanced and warm sound, and water resistance that makes them easy to use in everyday life. The LED power display is a surprisingly helpful quality of life feature. Transparent mode is great for outdoor awareness, and the secure fit makes them dependable whether you're sitting still or moving around. If you're looking for affordable earbuds that still deliver great features and enjoyable sound, the NC9s are a really solid option worth considering.